We major, you fuck niggas.
DJ on it.
You win it when you know you want it. You claiming that you get it when you know you want it. Fuck you say you win it when you know you not. Shooters on, shooters on, shooters on. So we don't do no talking at all. Say we don't do no talking at all.
Boss shit only, nigga, turn up.
I don't rock with the law, I don't follow rules. And I don't really like doing interviews. Every nigga on my block got their own code. Nigga try when I'm paying, that's gun smoke. 100K got some long nose. Niggas dying cause they fucking with the wrong hoe. Shots fired, man down. And my lines, black crowns. I don't follow rules, I just make the shit. And it ain't what you get, it's what you make it bad. I know a couple bitches that can take the jack. I know a lot of niggas that be hating shit. I be really drilling, you just claiming that. Drill City, come at gang, stay ain't gaining shit. Bang bats, how that gun go bang bats. I was born out with my brains down east. I got niggas from the Ave, niggas from the creek. Got this bitch on my dick, she on it when I feed. I got niggas rich up there, I'm callin' what they be. And every nigga on my block got their own work. If it looking like a stain, I do my own work. I'ma tell them before I nail them, take them home first. And make them give me everything. Nigga claim that he had it, guess I got it now. Before you come up in my house, you getting patted down. Had you claim you a savage, never shot a gun. Had you claiming that you with it, I just saw you run. I ain't never petty, fuck it off for fun. But if the bitch asks for money, I don't give a none. And I ain't with the rapping, but I do the shit. I'm with the no talking movement. You claiming that you with it when you know you want it. You claiming that you get it when you know you want it. Fuck you say you win it when you know you not. Shooters on, shooters on.
We major. Fuck y'all niggas. Fuck y'all niggas.